Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to create and set up your pixel in Facebook Events Manager. So first of all, you log into your Facebook account, and then when you log in, you come to your left-hand corner and go to the Ad Manager. From the Ad Manager, you click on the three lines at the left-hand corner. Then you will see Events Manager. Okay, so Events Manager is here. When you click on this, it brings you here. Here, we are going to create a pixel and set it up. How do you do that? You will come here, you see connect data sources. So you click on it. You'll be asked to select the type of data source. Then you select the web. Then you click on next. Then you put in the name of the data set here. So when you put the name, you click on create. So after you create it, you see you'll be asked to select any of the partners you want to connect with. So you see here, it says easily send website activity to Meta without writing any code by integrating with a partner you already have. So example, we have Shopify, we have Pixel, your site, WordPress, and all those options. So this is the website is a WordPress website. So just click on WordPress and then click on continue. So you see, it is asking me to connect your WordPress account to Meta. So it says click on plugins and select add new from drop-down menu, then select Facebook for WordPress, then select install now and activate. So let me just do that right away. So you come to your WordPress admin dashboard, and then you select the partner that apply. If your own is WordPress, you just come here, then type Facebook for WordPress. In fact, they have changed the name to MetaPixel, but it used to be Facebook for WordPress, but they've changed the name to MetaPixel. So let me just change it to MetaPixel. So MetaPixel for WordPress. So this is it. So I'll click on install now, and then click on activate. So it is activated. Now you come back here. So I've done that. So I'll click on next. So it says select settings and choose Facebook from the drop-down menu. Search, get started, and follow the instructions. So I'm going to do that. I just click on next. So I'm now supposed to test it from here, but this is what I will do. So I'll just come here. So when I come here, for example, so you go to settings. So you see connect your business to Facebook. So I'll click on get started. It will ask you to select the account you are logging in. So you select the account. So from there, you'll be asked to continue as the account. So you just click on continue. If it is not the account, you could have just chosen not you, then you log into the different account. Or you'd have just log out of the account and log into the one you want to connect. So you click on next. Then you select the business manager name, the Facebook page name. So the Facebook page name is this one. Then, so after you select the page, and click next, you will be asked to add an Instagram account. So this one, I'm skipping the connection to Instagram. So I'll click next. So it says select ad account. So I'm selecting this ad account. That's the ad account for the business. Then it says select the MetaPixel. So this is it. So I'll select it and click on next. Then it says automatic advanced matching. So I'm turning that on. Then I'm checking. So Facebook page is this. Instagram profile, that one I've left it for now. Add ad account. The ad account is the MetaPixel. This is the name of the pixel. So if all that is done, click on continue. Then what is the WordPress app allowed to do? Manage business extension. So It's done. So I'll just click on next. So you are all set. Now that you have connected your website to Facebook, you can help more people discover your business, find people, and then all that. So now, for me to test and know whether the connection is successful or not, this is what I have to do. Just click on done. For now, I'm not creating the ad straight away. I'll click on done. Then I'll view the site. I'll copy the website link and come here to test. So I'm testing. It's loading. Now it hasn't gone through successfully yet. So I'm just going back to the WordPress admin dashboard to see if everything is fine. And then here you can see that it says, trust the site. We are passing your system user token back to this. This means that this site will have permission to access your business assets. So I agree, and then I confirm. I'm sure this is what is causing the problem. So it is successful now. So I'll just come back and then send traffic again, and then see if it will be successful. So it seems the connection wasn't successful. I'll just go back to the WordPress admin dashboard and then do it again. So let me just refresh it, and then we see what. So you see get started. Then I'll click on continue. Continue again. Next. So the business is correct. The Facebook page is correct. No, the Facebook page is not correct. So I'm just going to select it. And then I'll click on next. Then I'll select the ad account. Then I'll select the pixel. Then I'll click on continue. Then it will say, let me say this is required. So next. It says you're all set. So I'm just going to click on done. And okay, so this one, I click on confirm. Good. So it says your business is connected to Facebook. So I'll just come back to the event manager and then click on send traffic. Still not showing that it has been successful. So I want to try the manual method. So you come back to the event manager and then you will see setup metapixel. You click on it, you will see install code manually. Check for partner. So I'm installing it manually. So you see, it will say copy code. So you say the pixel code is a snippet of the JavaScript that is added to the header section of your website. The pixel has two parts, base code and the event tags. So I'll copy this one and then go and paste it. So this code is to be installed on the header section of the website. So just come back to the WordPress admin dashboard. Go to plugins. So you see all plugins. Install plugins. So there is this one, the header and footer code manager. You install it. If you don't have it, just go to add plugins and then you click on add plugins and then you select this header and footer code manager. Yes, and then install it. So for me, I already have it. So I'm just going to the settings and I'm going to install it. So I'll just click on add new. Make sure you don't forget. Here it says what? It is a snippet of JavaScript. Please don't forget this. So when you come, let me just show you. Good. So here, remember to select JavaScript, then select site wide. It's on the header section. So you come here and then you paste it. Okay. And then so you have to name it. So I have named it Facebook Pixel base code. So you come and then click on save. You click on continue. So they are now asking of all the options we will want them to, they say verify the customer information you want to send. So we have what? Email, first and last name and all this. So I'm okay with it. So I'll click on continue. It says open event setup tool, add events using the event setup tool. So you can go to Pixel overview. So now we can test and see if it is working properly. So you come to test event. Then from here, you see confirm your servers are set up correctly, confirm your website. So take the second option to confirm if the setup is working correctly. So I'll just copy. Let me just look at the main URL. And then, where is it? Let me just check. Very good. So I'll paste it here and click on open site. Okay, so let me say I go to the About Us section. Okay, I'm coming back to the home page. Then I'll click on one of the posts. Now let's come back and see. So as you can see, the events I have just clicked on have been what? Processed. So it means that the pixel is working correctly. Okay, the pixel is working correctly. Now, if we come back to the part which it was showing red, you see that when you come, it's now what? Green color. So it means that it says verify your pixel is working correctly. So if you see this green color, it is working correctly, and then we don't have any problem again. We can now go ahead to set up the events. Setting up the events step by step. I mean, setting up, we can have purchase event, add to cart event, events like initiate checkout. We can set up standard and custom event. I have done a video earlier on how to set up both custom and standard events, and you can check in the description of this video for that particular video. We also do Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads. If you want to contact us to help you, you can contact us by following the WhatsApp or Telegram link in the description of this video, and we will help you get an excellent service. We do that. I've been doing that for the past 5 years. So you can check the WhatsApp or Telegram link. We can also get on Zoom to help you if you want us to help you fix a specific problem. Thank you once again and see you in the next video. Bye.